Hey everyone, Dan here, and this is my video for the folding coffee table from Allstand. The company sent this in exchange for my honest review, so I wanted to get it all set up here in the living room and give you my thoughts on this table.
As you can see, this was pretty easy to set up. The legs simply fold in underneath, and, and yet you still have a really nice look to it. The ability to fold up your coffee table is pretty awesome. I have a cold coffee table downstairs, and you can't fold the legs. And, as a result, it gets moved around from room to room, and you really can't stow it away. This is nice because you could probably store this in a closet or even behind the couch if you needed extra space. For example, if the kids were playing or doing something on a game system, but then you could bring it out and set it up for entertaining. And it's a perfect place for people to set their drinks, or you can display your book. Either way, it's a really nice addition to any home. And I hope this video review helps you in your decision to picking up one of these. Thanks so much for watching.